Are you a monetized channel? Or even if you're not yet monetized, stick around. I'll tell you something very important. Hey guys, this is Ryan and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're gonna talk about YouTube Self Certification Program. Ano nga ba itong YouTube Self Certification Program? Basically, para sa akin, YouTube just want to trust every content creator na lahat ng video na ina-upload natin ay advertiser friendly. Yun lang po para sa akin. Pero let's go deeper para po malaman natin kung ano talaga ang Self Certification Program ng YouTube. Alright, let's start. Rate your content with self-certification. You can self-rate your content and understand if a video meets our advertiser-friendly content guidelines. As a content creator, lahat tayo kailangan sumunod sa guidelines ng YouTube na lahat ng videos natin is advertiser-friendly. There are three options. Sabi dito, you can turn on ads for this content. This type of content meets our advertiser-friendly guidelines. So that means na yung videos nyo is a green dollar sign immediately. Number 2, you can turn on ads but only brands who opt on it will run ads. This one is the yellow dollar sign. By default, advertisers won't run on this content but some brand will opt to show ads. This means you may earn less revenue on this content because fewer ads are likely to appear compared to the content that's suitable for all advertisers. Number 3, you should turn off ads for this content. Ito yung mga content na against sa guidelines ng YouTube advertiser friendly. Next up, why self-certification? Your input can help us make monetization decision faster and more accurately. So basically, kung si YouTube is trusting us na lahat ng videos natin ay advertiser friendly, mas mabilis na magkaroon siya ng ads. Mas mabilis para sa kanila na lagyan ng ads yung mga videos natin kasi trustworthy ka as a content creator na lahat ng videos mo is advertiser friendly. If you are disagree with the automated system of YouTube, you have the option to request a human review. So ngayon, if you disagree na yung YouTube is hindi approve yung videos mo to have a green dollar sign, you can request for a human review. The reviewer will check out your video and provide feedback. You'll be able to see where you and the reviewer disagree. For example, inappropriate language or sensitive issues. Lumalabas pa rin po yan doon sa advertising-friendly guidelines ng YouTube. So kung gusto niyo pong malaman kung ano po yung advertiser-friendly guidelines ng YouTube, comment down below po at gagawa po tayo ng another video for that. So as a reward, sabi ni YouTube, if you consistently and accurately rate your videos, we'll rely on your input over our automated system. Your input will also be used to improve our systems for the entire community of monetizing creators. Alright, let's try to upload new videos para makita natin yung self-certification program ng YouTube. I'm already here in my YouTube studio. So create videos, upload videos, you know the rules, you know the step-by-step naman na. Select files. I have named one file, this one. And let's wait for the upload. Title required, description, thumbnail. So we will not work on it for now. We will work for monetization. Of course, monetization, let's turn it on. Done. Everything will be okay. Because our video is less than 10 minutes, so we cannot place manually the ads. Then, this is what I'm talking about. There we go. Here, sabi ni YouTube, keep up the good work. It looks like you filled out this questionnaire accurately for previous videos. As a result, we're using your input when determining in your videos follow our ad-friendly content guidelines. Your input is helping your videos monetize faster. Yun yung importante. So you may earn more money and save time requesting review. So this is the basic rule or the main role of self-certification program. Pag mataas ang rating mo, si YouTube, immediately once you upload your video, meron ka na agad ads. At napakagandang advantage natin yung bilang isang creator. Now we will see meron din sila dito sa right side, the ratings nung previous videos natin. Wow! Your rating accuracy is high. As a result, we're using your input to help decide which ads run in your videos. So lahat po ng videos na in-upload ko before, it's all green dollar sign. Kasi mabait daw po ako. No, you should read the advertiser-friendly guidelines. Kailangan po yun sa lahat ng content creators sa YouTube. Read it and put it in your heart. Kailangan po talaga natin yan. Ad suitability. Does your video's content title, description, or keywords contain any of the following? Inappropriate language. So, itong form na to, you need to fill this up with all honesty tungkol sa video na ginawa mo. Kasi, sabi dito, rate your video to see revenue you may be eligible for. We'll ask all creators to complete this step for each video they want to monetize. Yung nga naman kasi, di ba, it will help us as a content creator to earn money faster. So kung tapos na po kayo, let's say inappropriate language, wala naman po akong inappropriate language sa video na to. Wala pong adult content, wala pong violence, harmful or dangerous acts, wala naman po. Drug related content, especially wala rin. Hateful content, wala rin. Firearms related content, wala din. Sensitive issues, wala din. So I'll just check none of the above and see how you rated your video overall, save for ads, eligible revenue sources for ads, YouTube Premium, other YouTube revenue like merchandise. Then click next, we'll go to the next part ng video na ina-upload ko. But since we concentrate on this is the most important one. You know, as a content creator, when I saw this earlier, keep up the good work. It's like, okay, you are motivated more to make good videos kasi YouTube is appreciating you and giving you a reward. As a reward, mas mabilis ang pag-monetize sa channel natin. Yun po yung main purpose ng self-certification program ng YouTube. So yun nga po, nakita natin ngayon ang tinatawag nilang self-certification program ng YouTube. Bali, to crack these things up, YouTube wants us to be honest in our video. So, you self-rate your video according to what's inside it. Kung meron bang drug-related, kung meron bang sexual harassment, kung meron bang inappropriate word or language. For short, pumasa ba sa advertiser-friendly guideline ng YouTube yung video mo. Kasi, kung pasado naman po, you can click all okay, and then YouTube will put ads immediately sa upload mo. At kung meron ka naman pong isa or dalawa dun sa mga guidelines nila, check nyo rin po. Kasi, even if it's yellow dollar sign, YouTube will know na okay, this creator is honest about his content. So YouTube will trust you and then will teach you maybe na okay, next time don't do this kasi walang ads na pumapasok sa videos na ginawa mo. Sayang naman po yung effort natin. So yun lang po. Sana po may natutunan kayo ulit. Medyo garalgal yung pagkakagawa ng video na to. I don't know what happened. Pero I hope guys na may nakuha kayo, or sa mga bago tulad ko, my YouTube is just newly monetized at kailangan po talaga natin to. At sa mga bago po na hindi pa naman po monetize, sana po may natutunan kayo kahit konti. Advice ko po, read the advertiser friendly guidelines ng YouTube para po lahat ng videos upload natin is green dollar sign. Mahirap po may copyright claim kasi pinaghirapan natin yung videos na ginawa natin tapos may kahati tayo, which is unfair, di ba? So from the start, you should learn how to apply the advertiser-friendly guidelines ng YouTube. Ilang beses ko na sinasabi ang advertiser-friendly, pero yung po ang importante talaga. Follow the rules and you'll be in good hands. By the way, if you are new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell para po updated kayo sa mga updates. Kung gusto nyo po nung advertiser-friendly guidelines ng YouTube, gawin ko po, just comment below po, gawin natin. Alright, that's it for tonight. Thank you, ciao! Program, YouTube will let you decide kung ano yung with this program, si YouTube po ay pinahayaan ka. And today's episode, we're gonna talk about Hi guys, this is Ryan and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode, I'm so bad today.